Hey quizzers, welcome back to the Quiz Elephant. Today, we've got a fun one. Would you rather junk food edition? Are you ready to dive into some seriously tasty choices? Smash that subscribe button and let's start it. Would you rather eat a burger or eat a pizza? Which one's your favorite crispy sidekick, fries or onion rings? Do you prefer ice cream or cake? Would you rather chocolate or candy? Would you rather eat donuts or cookies? Which one would you choose, soda or milkshake? Would you rather have nachos or mozzarella sticks? Make your decision, potato chips or popcorn. Would you rather get pancakes or waffles? Don't forget to share your choice in the comment. I would side with Team Cupcake. How about you? Fried chicken or barbecue ribs, both are so delicious. Have you ever tried these ice creams? Which one is your favorite, cinnamon roll or croissant? Do you like garlic bread or cheesy bread? Would you rather eat candy bars or gummy bears? Mac and cheese or mashed potatoes? Would you rather drink a slushie or lemonade? Apple pie or pumpkin pie? Tough one. Pick one kick, one, cornbread or biscuits. Would you rather have caramel popcorn or cheese popcorn? Do you prefer grilled steak or grilled salmon? Would you rather blueberry muffin or banana bread? Would you rather Caesar salad or Greek salad? What's your favorite, burrito or quesadilla? Would you rather curly fries or waffle fries? Would you rather get chocolate cake or vanilla cake? Which one's the ultimate side? Spaghetti or lasagna? Would you rather eat tiramisu or cheesecake? Grilled shrimp or grilled chicken? Thank you for participating in our puzzles. And don't forget to subscribe to The Elephant for more fun quizzes. Now is the perfect time to pick your next challenge. I will see you in the next video. Have a good day.